What's going on guys, Sandeep here, and in this video you will see how you can create videos like this or this. What if I told you you could take a single image and bring it to life, dancing, moving or even acting just by borrowing the motion from another video? That's exactly what 1.2 Animate does. So in this video you will see how you can take a single image and a reference video and create realistic animation. So let's see how you can do that. Alright, first I will go to the chat GPT and ask it to write a detailed prompt for my character. Like I want to create a character as per my reference video. In my reference video I am sitting on a chair and behind me there is a PC setup and some other details. So I will type exactly what type of character that I want. Like I want a female influencer with age 25, this dressing style, this hairstyle and other details that I want to include in my character photo. So I will get a detailed prompt to generate the image. Now I will go to any image generation model like Nano Banana, Dream or any other image model and create my character. For this example, I am using LoArt AI and I will create a project here. Here I will select the Dream 4.0, that is the best image generation model as of today, and paste my prompt and generate the character. And after some time I got this character, but I think it is not looking that great. So I will try to optimize my character as per my reference video. In my reference video I am facing the camera, but my character is not. So I will try to generate another image. And after few tries I got these images and I think this one looks good as per the reference video. This character is same as per my reference video. She is also on chair and facing the camera, and you see this image is a high quality image and a good fit for the character. So I will use this image. Now let's go to this link. You can find these links in the video description, and also you can go to this alternate link, but sometimes it stays busy, so you can use the previous one. Here you have to upload your character image and the reference video, and if you scroll down you will find option to select the model. There are two models available, 1.2 animate, move and mix. So let's upload the character image first and also upload the reference video. Now you can select the 1.2 animate, move model or mix. If you select move, it will copy the movement from your reference video to your character. Now click on generate video. It will take around 20 to 30 minutes to animate your video. Animate your character using your reference video. You see the video is ready, and if I play it you can see that it is exactly copying my movement from the reference video. See how accurate it is. Hi, what's going on guys, Sandeep here, and in this video you will see how you can create videos like this or this. You can see there are some glitches in the video. There is an extra hand near the camera, but if you upload your reference video with a plain background, then you will get high quality video. Now let's try to use the 1.2 animate mix model. Now I have uploaded a different image, a little bit zoomed out with the same character, and let's select 1.2 animate mix model and the reference quality 1 Pro, and then generate the video. Again it will take some time and the video is ready. Let's play it. Hi, what's going on guys, Sandeep here, and in this video you will see how you can create videos like this or this. Now you can see that character has replaced me from the video. It copied all the movements and lighting and every other details but just replaced me. But still it has some glitches. You can see on the projector it has some glitches there. Alright, now let's try to create these animations using a video with plain background. So I will use the same character but a different video with plain background. So let's try to use the move model first, and this is the result that I got. Let's play. You see, it has almost no glitch. Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create videos like this or this. So let's get started. See how great it is. Now I can download and use it wherever I want. Okay, now let's try the mix model using the reference video with plain background. And this is the result that I got. It copied all the lighting and every other details and replaced me from the video. You see, it is also a great result. There are some glitches, but still quite usable. Hi, in this video I will show you how you can create videos like this or this. So this is how you can use the 1.2.2 animate models to copy the movement from your reference video or replace yourself with a character. Apart from that, you can go to the official one website, go to this link, select the avatar option and then character swap or animate, then quality. Now you have to upload your reference video. Make sure video is no longer than 15 seconds and then upload the character image. And then click on this option and your video will be ready. Again, it will take same time around 20 to 30 minutes to generate your video for free. But you can get credits for faster generation. Also, you can use some paid websites to use 1.2.2 animate like Hixfield. But you have to pay for it. And you will get faster generation as well. Like I tried this image and this reference video and got this result, but I had to pay for that. Or you can use the file AI to animate your character using a reference video. Also, you can go to the runway ML, select video option and then Act 2 option. Upload your reference video and the character image and it will also do the same job. But you have to pay for it. Remember, the paid model will provide the faster results. Alright guys, now I think it's your time for I bet you didn't know this. Just kidding, don't do that. Create something positive. So that's all for this video. Hope this helps. If you are new to this channel, I create videos around PC, software and AI stuff. If you find it helpful, you can subscribe and I will see you in my next one.